guys, it's Anna. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have yet another amazing Bibbidi box unboxing for you. So without further ado, let's get into this beautiful box. It just arrived and I am so excited to see what I got inside. This one feels light. So I don't know, I think in my last box I had a mug, so that made it a little bit more heavier. But this one feels light as a feather. But anyways, let's open the box and see what I have in there. But before I do that, how do you like my JCPenney Mickey Mouse shirt? I like scored it for like $5. Amazing, right? I love it. So cute. So cute. $5! JCPenney, who would have thought? Alright, so let me open this box. Okay. Alright, so this is the first thing I see when I open the box. So here's the packing slip and the bag. No more paper shredding things. I think in my last box I did mention the same thing, that there was no card because typically they had this really pretty card that either went with the season of the year that we were in, whether it was holidays, Christmas, Valentine's Day, and then this packing slip was inside that little card. But I think last time I didn't have it, and this time no card either. So maybe it's something new, maybe they're changing things, who knows. But let's see what's in here. All right, so like I said, this one feels very light. Okay, I'm so excited because last box, if you didn't see it, I'm gonna link it right over here. It was so good. They got me so many like nostalgic things that like, oh, just like they speak to my heart and soul. All right. Okay, I think there's a pop in here because that's what the box feels like. So I'm gonna take it out. Oh my God. They're doing this to me. They're messing with my heart and my emotions and my childhood. So this is a pop of Suni, and she is a character from Gummy Bears. The Adventure of Gummy Bears, I should say. And I did see this on their wish list, and I did put like a little heart because that's what you could do. You could put a little heart if it's something that you're interested in, and you could, you know, potentially get it in your box. So this is amazing. Oh my gosh, so many memories. And these are all the other characters from this cartoon. Oh, if you watched Disney cartoons in the late 80s, early 90s, this is it. Oh my goodness. How, like I hear the theme song in my head. Amazing. I am so happy. Ah, this is so cool. Okay, let's see. All right, I think this is a pin. Ooh, what is this? This looks like a Halloween pin. Disney Parks Resorts exclusive. And I guess, oh my gosh, I mean, I would say that this is a Headless Horseman, but without the horse. I don't know. I'm not sure where he's from, and it doesn't say. Can you guys see that? It's like a dude at the graveyard, and his head looks like it's in a lantern or a bucket or something like that. I don't know. But it is cute. And in my preferences, I think I had put down two things. You have a wish list and then you have preferences. So in my preferences, I put down that Halloween, every day is a great Halloween day and every day is great Christmas day. So that kind of gives them the opportunity to send me more things Halloween and Christmas themed, because I just love those two holidays. So I guess that's why they sent me this pin, which is adorable. I love it. It's so cool. I just don't know exactly where this is from. So maybe if you guys can help me out, leave it down in the comments below. But it's super cute. Sorry guys, my battery died. I had to run and change it really quick. Okay, so I think this is my last item. And I kind of see what it is. So it is a beautiful Alex and Ani bracelet. And it's rose gold. And it's Parks and Resorts exclusive. I don't have one, so I am so excited. Oh, I should have showed you like this. So it came in this little baggie. And this says it's $44.95. Holy moly guacamole. Do you see that? That's the price tag. Okay, so can you see it? Oh, it's like right over there. Okay, so let me show you this bracelet. It is stunning. Okay, so I always wanted one, but you see, this is kind of like the beauty of doing a Bibbidi box, because if I was in the park and it was me trying to spend $44.95 on myself for a bracelet versus getting possibly 2 gifts for my kids, if not 3 or 4 for this $50, I would always choose my kids. So, and then I would say like, okay, you know, next time I'll get something for myself, next time, and then that next time never comes. So this is amazing. This is so beautiful. This is beautiful, and I love rose gold. So this is just stunning. It's just beautiful bracelet. Look at that. Oh my God, I am so happy. I am so happy. This is so pretty. And these little charms, fits perfect. I put it on. I know it's a little hard to see, but can you see it? It's pretty. It's so pretty. Let me see if I can get a better view for you guys. Here you go. That is lovely. Don't mind my big burn from a pizza oven thing. I will remember this pizza forever and ever. But this is just stunning. And there's one more right over here. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. This is just so beautiful. Okay, let me take this off. And I think that was it. I think this box had the 3 items in it. Wow. Double check. It's empty. Okay, so on to the packing list. Okay, so this is my fantasy box. I have a monthly subscription. I think I'm well over a year now, and honestly, like, I've been so happy with Bibbidi. It's just a great touch. I am excited to get my birthday box, because I know that they do something a little special, and there's usually like a big happy birthday inside. So that's coming up in August. But I am also curious. One time I do want to order, I think, the Ultimate Magic. I feel like that's the kind of box they have, and I want to say that's like either $119 or $129, something like that. But maybe sometime in the future. Anyways, so the fantasy box is the box that I have subscribed to, and it is $59.99. So this box included the Parks exclusive Alex and Ani bracelet, rose gold, and it was $44.95. Then it had, here you go. This is why you have to read the packing slip. Disney Parks exclusive. Are you ready? Haunted Mansion Hatbox Ghost. I honestly, like, I had no idea who he was. I was like, I like you, but I don't know who you are. So we know that this is the Haunted Mansion box, Hatbox Ghost trading pin, and this pin is $12.99, and I like that it dangles. That's cute. Aiden is gonna love that. And then I have the Funko Pop Disney Adventure of Gummy Bears Suni. I love her. $11. So my grand total for this box is $68.94. So I think the value is amazing. I am just so happy with this because this is like so nostalgic for me. I am so happy with the Alex and Ani bracelet because, like I said, when I'm in Disney, yes, I splurge here and there, but I really pick and choose what I get for myself because I want to get more for my kids. I want to do more for them. You know, it's about them, honestly. And so this is just so beautiful and so precious, and I'm just so happy that I have this now. It's just gorgeous. And then of course this cool pin. It's awesome. Aiden will love wearing this like on his lanyard or on the backpack, so this is cute. Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them down in the comments below, and we'll see you real soon. Bye!